Right, hello and welcome. We are at the top of the Nevis, the Slapjack Saddle that way, Carrot Town that way. We've come that way once before. We've just met up with our friends. It's insanely windy. No Joel today, sorry. Just me by myself talking to you. And this poor bugger has got a flat tyre. Got the thumbs up. All right, let's do this. I am massively out of my depth here. We're not adventure riding today. We are off-roading, and let me tell you, it's freaking scary. My legs are shaking. I'm gonna try my best to not have an accident. So I'm with two very capable riders, and let me tell you, it's frickin' scary. Very windy, beautiful day. Oh, crikey dick. So in front we've got Dickie. Dickie is, he's been dirt biking his whole life, but he's had a bit of a break recently. So he's back on the bike after a little while. And then Andy in front, you'll know from the other videos, he's very good. So he'll just do this all day. Oh, crikey. Oh, come on, Tom. Oh shit. Flipping heck. So we're gonna do the Old Woman Hut, which is like this. Come on. Do it. Flipping heck. Holy crap. I'm not too bad if I'm going slow. Oh! Come on. The problem is, it takes me about a couple of hours to get loose. And we've only been going for 10 minutes and we're straight into this. I remember this bit. This is the bit that Joel fell off. Flipping heck. Where am I going? Bum back. I'd like to say that downhill. Oh shit! I did it. Oh, holy crap! I'd have to put my visor up. I'm pouring with sweat already. I did it. Yay! I know for a fact that that's one of the hard bits. Oh shit! Oh. It's probably going to be a fair amount of me swearing today, sorry. I think I'm in the wrong gear. I'm in third, I need to be in second. Oh! Come on, Tom. You can do it. Woo! Oh, I love this so much. Woo! Right, just got to keep plodding along. So we're in central Otago again, we're on the gold fields. And it is just so beautiful and amazing. And I absolutely love this. It's about 10-15 minutes from home. So we're very lucky to have this right on our doorstep. Whoa! Thanks, Andy. Alright, I could do this. Come on, Tom. Last time I did this, I fell off about 5 times. I didn't really have a crash, so to speak, but I fell off. So I am expected to fall off again. Come on! Come on! Flip it. Oh. Those two guys are much faster than me, but I'm hoping I could keep up. Oh, crikey. Oh! I jumped it. That's the way to do it. Flipping. Did it. Yee-hoo! Whoa! Oh my lordy. Oh, that's a very black cloud ahead. Hopefully we missed that. Yee-hoo! Through the mud. Yeah, brilliant. So actually, Kim and I have actually done a couple of videos, but both times the freaking audio didn't work. So I'll see if I can salvage the video because it was quite good fun. Yeah, it's just teething problems. To be perfectly honest, I'd just quite like to go back to this setup. But unfortunately this setup, oh, which way, Tom? Choose your direction. Yeah, through the mud. Yeah, unfortunately because of these new Senas on the GS headsets, the ones that we use for that, the old setup doesn't work, so I've got two options: stick with that setup or sell the Senas and go back to the old Senas, which I could do, but it's just frustrating because they cost a lot of money. Oh, we're so lucky to have this. Right, I'm hoping we go to Hyde Rock, which is straight and which is 22 kilometres of super gnarly. But we might just pop down to Old Woman Hut, which is just down there. That's the hut. And then you can actually go past the Old Woman Hut, and then it's full on single track dirt road. And I think these boys want to do that, but we'll see. Oh, here we go. Right, I didn't get this on video last time, so this will be a bit of a treat for you. This is super gnarly. And this is last time Sam came out, he did this one, and I think it put him off-roading. It was so full on. That, and of course he's incredibly busy at work, but it's full on. Very deep ruts, loads of mud. we'll see how we go. Woohoo! Well, I hope you enjoy these videos. I know that a lot of you miss the interaction and miss Kim. She's got herself an electric mountain bike, so she's off doing that. She absolutely loves it. Oh, oh crikey! You can do it. Oh, that's caped me. Excellent. Now I look like a proper off-roader. Oh! Them loose rocks are full on. Just throws the bike all over the place. Yee-hoo! This is great. So I have purchased some softer springs for the fork, because Andy reckons that the ones that are come standard with the KTM are way too hard. They're designed to sort of do less of this stuff. I mean, I think he said it's designed to do sort of more mud and jumps and stuff. We do a lot of rocks and very dry road, and he said they're too hard, and it's probably why I get terrible arm ache, because the front end is so hard. Wow, look at this. I'm not going to try and keep up with these guys. I'm just going to try and cruise behind. It's very cold, although I am sweating. It's only about 4 or 5 degrees up here. It's been snowing up here, but it hasn't rained all week, so we're hoping it stays nice and dry like this, but I bet it's going to be a bit muddy. Woo! Oh yeah, my nose is frozen. Not sure which is the road here. There they are. Better get back on the road. Oh yeah, that's bitter. I need to put down my visor. But now I can't see a thing. Okay. Yeah, sadly Joel couldn't make it today. He's had to work. It's a Sunday and he's had to work. So you've just got me talking away. Hopefully you enjoy this view. If we're lucky, we might actually miss the rain. Yeah, there's snow up there. In this area they say snow before May will never stay. And they say rain before 7, gone by 11. All good? That one! Woo! So he says that one there's the hole in the wall. That's the very serious single track. I've told him I don't want to do that today. Not good enough. My legs are shaking like crazy. I've got Elvis leg. Ooh. Okay, this is pretty full on. So this now gets serious. I can't see a thing. I've got to stop a little. Holy crap, I absolutely can't see a thing. That's got to come up. Okay, let's go. That's better. Woohoo! Whoa, some whoops! Looks like a fairly deep bit of water. Yeah, Tom. Woo! Alright, they're coming. So yeah, I did manage to get this last time. The battery ran out and I was so focused on riding this very scary bit of road that actually I couldn't switch the GoPro back on, so I hope you like this bit. There's 22 kilometers of like this, but it progressively gets harder and harder. And this time the mud is actually slippy, which it wasn't last time. It was bone dry. Oof, that wind is bitter. Step on the top here. Nice, found a good spot. Oh, some other dirt bikers. Young lads, they look pretty freaking serious. Now, I think it's left. Oh yes, it is. Yeah. Right, we're going way, 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 way in the distance down this road. See, there's all these different tracks around here. That one goes all the way up there. You've got one that goes down into the valley called the Hole or something. But technically speaking, these are actually public roads, believe it or not. So all the same rules apply to a normal public road. Yeah, go for it, mate.
Oh, follow on, good.
Okay, mate, you alright?
Yeah, good.
Bloody great, eh? Right, this is where it gets even more gnarly. Oh, crikey. Go, 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 push. Definitely learning the trick is that power is your friend. Woo! Well, that wind is absolutely bitter. Oh, crikey. It's either take the wind or have a fogged visor. Woohoo! Dickie's right behind me. I'm starting to warm up a bit now. There he goes. What a playground. Woohoo! I love wheeling off these four-wheel drive bumps. So cool. You actually land on the back wheel. So it feels so good. Probably doesn't look very amazing, but it feels great. Oh, visor's fogging up, can't see a thing. Snot pouring down my face, lovely. Woohoo! Mr. Tom doing jumps. Definitely your weight bias has got to be to the back. Because this bike's actually got quite a big engine. It's quite a heavy bike actually for this. There goes Andy. Well, there's loads of dirt bikers out today. Whew. How cool. It's quite interesting really, I mean, it's a whole different fraternity of bikers. They're totally different to road, but well, they're not... Oh, Dickie went the hard way, and I'm following him. I just sprayed him with mud. Woohoo! She's getting muddy this time. Oh. Yeah, your road riders are quite different. They're dirt bike riders, definitely a little bit more rough and ready. In a nice way, I mean. Ooh, flipping heck, nearly stalled it right on that. Got smoke coming off the bottom of me. Alright, go for it. Yee-hoo! Woo! Yee-hoo! Awesome. Oh, just brilliant. Oh, looks like somebody went straight through the middle of this muddy bit. Oh, I lost it. Phew. Thank goodness for the high bank. Oh, this looks like a four-wheel drive quad bike thingy coming up. Quad car, whatever they're called. Oh, that's cool. That could be the farmer. Thank you! Oh, I didn't embarrass myself. That's good. Oh! Ah! Oh, so many paths. I hate these slippery ruts because the front wheel just wants to fold in on itself. Come on, Tom. Oh, crikey. Woo! I did it. Every time I breathe out, oh, my glasses fog up. Oh. Oh, flipping it. Whoa, talk about a workout. Oh, crikey. Come on, let's see if you can do it, Tom. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Whoa. Oh, thanks for bearing with me. I am, for those of you that might not know me, a complete beginner at this. It's probably about the 5th time I've ridden this bike. Ah, there we go. Now I got to pick the sucker up. She's fucking heavy. Ready? Ah, 1, 2, 3. Piece of cake. Yeah. You're right. No problem, Tom. The back end's in a big puddle of mud. Woohoo! No harm, no foul. Yee-hoo! Yeah, like I was saying, I am a complete beginner, but I've absolutely fallen in love with doing this. It is dangerous, but I guess at the end of the day, it all boils down to how fast you go. But then again, sometimes you've got to go fast to get over it. Alright, it's a bit drier up here. It was deep snow up here last week. Come on. Woo. I don't even see them. Where have they gone? Alright, this is deep mud. Here we go. Oh, I'm not used to this. Yee-hoo! Yeah. Mud is completely a new thing for me because Centro Otago is famous for being one of the driest places on the planet. It very rarely rains, but up here on the hills, she cops a bit of snow, all right. I'm stuck in this rut for now. Let's see how we go in here. Whoa! When you start going up the side of the rut, whoo! Sometimes slower is better. Tom, take it easy. All right, we're out. Yoo! Those guys have just taken off. Woohoo! Wow! Yes, that went over my handlebars. Flipping it. Now I'm stuck in another mud. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Woo! Flipping heck. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yep. No harm, no foul. Oh, I'm off again. Flip. This one's a bit harder to lift up. Did it. I know what you're going to say. Get a dirt bike. This one's going all right. Come on, get going. Oh! Yes! That's my Bluetooth audio pack, low battery. Oh, crikey, did we? Oh, looks like my audio's about to die, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see if I could charge it for the last bit. I must have forgot to charge it, damn it. Yeah, it's quite a... She's talking to me and telling me low battery. Let's see if we can go round this. Whoa, flippin' heck. Yee-hoo! This is insane. Okay, let me switch this off. Thanks for watching. See if I can get her on charge. Andrew?
Who's behind all that gear?
Tom?
Oh, Tom, how are you?
I'm good,
to
mate.
see
How are
man.
you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, can't see who I am with all the blooming
mate.
gear on.
Oh, the camera sits there, eh?
Yeah, pretty cool. Been videoing the trip.
Oh, awesome. Where have you
Only
been
crashed
today?
about 5 times today.
Oh, that's pretty good going.
Oh man,
Where have you been?
way up in the hills.
Awesome, really.
It was amazing, yeah.
Wow.